this is how the diagram looks on paper, and these circles represent your LEDs, and these are the pins of the Arduino, from the Arduino. So as you can see from this, the red LED, it's connected to the breadboard, and then on the other pin of the breadboard, on the same connection, it's connected to pin number 7 of the Arduino. And then here you have your resistor, which is connected to the short leg of the red LED on the breadboard, through the breadboard, the resistor, and then connected to our ground rail. So the same setup works for all the LEDs. Then what we did was, in the connection, we took a wire from this rail and then we went and plugged it to the ground pin of our Arduino. So then how this will work is that when you want the red LED to come on, pin number 7 will have power. So pin number 7 will have power, and that energy or that power will flow through this wire, through the breadboard, into the LED. The LED will light up. The power will continue to complete the circuit through the breadboard, through the resistor, to ground. Then from ground, it will continue to the ground of the Arduino, completing the circuit. Then when we want the yellow LED to come on, the same will happen. Pin number 8 is going to give out a voltage from the Arduino. That voltage is going to give power through the jumper wire from pin number 8. That power is going to go through the breadboard, through the LED. The LED will come on. Then to complete the circuit, energy will flow out the other side on the short leg of the LED, through the resistor, down to ground. Then the same happens for the green one. We want the green one to come on. We tell pin number 9 to have power. We do this in our code. Energy will flow from pin number 9 through the jumper wire, the breadboard, through the LED. LED comes on, continues to flow down through the resistor, and then make its way to ground. So since this ground here is connected, which means that every time we are grounding, the same energy flows now to complete the circuit. It flows through this wire all the way back to ground to complete the circuit. So this is how it works. Yeah, this is how it looks physically, just to remind you. And this is how it looks using a diagram. So now we are going to write the software to control our system. So with our setup looking like this, I'm gonna go ahead now and connect the Arduino to the computer. I'm just gonna put this side to the Arduino, and then I'm just gonna do that, and then put the USB connection to my computer, and it looks like that. So I'm just gonna switch to my programming environment and show you guys how we program the system